Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news from the major economic powers. First, US existing home sales fell more than the 3% month on month that was expected in the short of February month. In fact, they fell a rather sharp 6.6%, which has been blamed on rising mortgage rates, cold weather and tight supply. However, it is more likely that higher prices and decreased affordability are playing an even larger role in the February hesitation. And the Chicago Fed's National Activity Index also slipped more than was expected, and in a stark contrast to the rise in January. The retreats by the production, personal consumption and housing categories suggest the US economy may have been in contraction in February. We should also note that the US Fed's balance sheet took an unusually large jump last week, now at $7.7 trillion and up $114 billion in 1 week to a new record high. Still, it is only 36% of annual American economic activity. Putting that into perspective, the Chinese central bank balance sheet is currently at 41% of annual economic output. In New Zealand, the ratio is 24%. And China has announced it has ratified its RCEP trade deal, along with Thailand, and the first of the 15 countries, and the list that includes New Zealand, to do so. The RCEP is expected to come into force at the start of 2022. And staying in China, steel prices are rising, and this isn't because of rising iron ore prices. It is more because production cutbacks for air quality and climate emission restrictions, coming at a time of rising demand. It will be inflationary there. US Treasury 10-year yield was lower by 4 basis points at 1.69%, and the price of gold starts today down $4 in New York at $1,741 an ounce. Oil prices are softish at just on $61 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now just over $64 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today at just under 71.8 US cents and marginally firmer, but still in the long-term 71 to 73 cent range it's been all year. Against the Australian dollar, we're holding at 92.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, little change at 60.1 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index opens today at 73.8. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.